Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming system readiness. Make sure Windows updates are applied and the GPU shows in Device Manager. Once done, download the latest GeForce or Quadro driver package for your card. You should choose the full driver package, not just a driver-only or experience app, because it includes the control panel components. While the download runs, close background installers and note your current driver version so you can roll back if needed. You now run the installer as administrator and pick Custom Install. This gives you the option to perform a clean installation which removes corrupted leftover files. Install all components including NVIDIA Control Panel and GeForce Experience if desired. After installation, reboot immediately to let services register. When Windows starts, check the system tray and right-click Desktop for the NVIDIA Control Panel entry. If it still doesn't appear, proceed to manually restart NVIDIA services and rescan drivers. Finish up by restarting NVIDIA services. Open services, find NVIDIA Display Container LS and dependencies, and restart them. This often restores the control panel. If the control panel is absent, install or reinstall the NVIDIA Control Panel app from the Microsoft Store. As a last resort, use Display Driver Uninstaller in safe mode to remove all NVIDIA remnants, then reinstall the latest driver fresh. If issues
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.